Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of 2019. I have been absent for almost all of 2018, but I do want to make some changes. I want to dedicate more time to my YouTube, to my blog, to my social media, and all of that. Got a new camera, so let's just go for it. Today is my son's birthday. He is turning 4, so I have to get ready real quick because we're gonna go to lunch. I apologize for the noise. My toddler is like roaming around and yeah, so I'm so sorry. If this goes wrong, then I'll just do a voiceover. But for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. It has 9 eyeshadows. It's like $27, pretty affordable. And the colors are, I think they're so pretty for everyday use. So I've already primed my eyes with just my regular, what is it? Concealer. And now what I'm going to do is just, I'm going to dust some powder over them. Which is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 220. Eyelids are done. I'm going to use the M139 by Morphe. And I'm going to take this shade right here, tap off any excess. And I am going to go right on the crease with this. Back and forth, windshield wiper motions and circular motions. I'm going to blend so that everything looks nice and smooth. This palette and these shadows are so pigmented, so pretty. And I love that you can just do that and pop some mascara on your lashes and you're good to go. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the Real Techniques base shadow brush. And I'm going to grab the shade that's right next to it. It's like a little bit more brownish red, like a brick type color. And I'm going to use this all over the lid. And I'm tapping so that I get all the product on there without blending so much towards the top of the eyelid where we place that first shadow in. And then of course right here at the crease I'm going to go in windshield wiper motions to blend those two shades together. Go back with the M139 with no product left in it and just blend a little bit more. This is a Luxie 121. It's like a mini tapered brush. And I'm going to grab this purpley shade right here. And this I'm just going to add to the outer corner. Right there. Tap super gently so that not a lot of product gets on there. And then you want to blend towards the crease. And you want to add a little bit of product as you go. That way you're building up instead of putting so much product on there and then not being able to tone it down. I do want to take my time with this eyeshadow because I want to build it up slowly to get the proper color that I want. And then I'm going to take the same brush M139 and then just buff everything in, blend everything in. It's going to look seamless, it's going to look it's going to bring the look together. Just like that. You can also grab some more of this brown shade that we started off with and help you blend a little bit more. Help you deposit more of that shade if you've lost it. Just like that. Now we're gonna do the other eye and I will be right back. I am back now. This is the final look. You can zoom you guys in. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what else you want me to do. Like I said, everything is going to be linked down below, and everything else is going to be on the blog as well. Pictures of the palette and step-by-step photos of how I achieved this eye look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.